Hi friends, this is Mitali here. Today I'm going to make a curry preparation from dried shrimp in Malvani style. So let's get cooking. Cooking another simple and easy recipe of my Malvani cuisine. So let's start of sauce and 2 spoons of dhania, just coriander seeds. We'll just soak this for 15 to 20 minutes. Also, this is dried prawns, medium size prawns. I've also made a video for a small size prawns. You can go ahead and check that. I'm making a curry of this. I have cleaned this. We'll soak it for 15 to 20 minutes and just rinse it out. I've taken half the onion, keeping some onion for the tadka, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, freshly grated coconut, and let's put this soaked dhania and sauce. We'll use the same water for grinding, and I'm putting this red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. I've strained everything. Let's grind it and make a paste. I'll add few curry leaves to this, adding 1 tomato to this, and we'll grind it again. So I've kept some oil for heating. Let's add in cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Some curry leaves. Pinch of asafoetida. Some haldi and red chili powder. We'll add in this ground paste. We'll cook it till the oil gets separated, as we have raw onion and garlic in it. So we'll just cover it and cook it for some time. Let's add this dried shrimp. This is washed and strained. Mix it well. I'm putting this kokum petals. If you don't have kokum, that is totally fine. Let's add in some salt. Add the salt accordingly, as the dried prawns already contain some salt. Let's add some water to make a thin gravy. And herein I'm using this raw mango, but I'll use the seed. Put the seed inside, so that you'll get a nice tangy taste to the curry. We usually do this for the fish curries, so if you want, I can make a video for Malvani fish curry. We'll cover it once again and cook it for some time. Let's check on this. I'll put coriander leaves. So this dried prawns curry is ready. I'll be serving this with tilapia fry fish. Please go ahead and check my video if you're interested. And please keep watching my Malvani Cuisine delicacies. Thank you for your time. Do take good care of yourself.